Hello people! So today's video is going to be a foundation routine, and I'm doing this foundation routine is specifically for the look that I do when I want really dewy, fresh, glowy skin. As you can see, that's what we've got going on today, so I wanted to share that. So if you want to know how I created this whole look and what products I use as well, then make sure you are subscribed and also give the video a thumbs up as well. And just keep watching. So obviously the eyes have nothing to do with this video, so that's why they're all done. The moment is just some moisturiser, and I'm gonna start going in with my face primer first, I think. So what I love to use when I want something dewy and very illuminated is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I choose this one instead of just like a normal dewy primer because it kind of blurs out the pores as well, so it just makes your skin look a lot nicer, and obviously it gives a glow as well. I'm not bothered about this not being super glowy because I've got so many other products that I use with it that will make my skin extra dewy, so. Okay, like you can see straight away, like it's just giving my skin a nice glow. Next we have the illuminator. So I have so many that I love to use. I love the Catrice one. Cover FX drops are really good as well, but they're quite intense. But this one I really love. I've used this on my channel before. I love it. LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator in Afterglow. Monkey foundation. I do usually do that, but I've got something else that I want to mix in with my foundation or use underneath it. So I'm just going to pop this just everywhere. Hey, look at the glow. We're getting there, we're getting there. Then the next step is a combination that I've been using for a few months, I think since like the start of the year now. So the Celestial Skin Elixir, and then we've got the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. These two together, they put them in like this in with the foundation, but I'm just gonna pop this on first. This I will just try and keep where I want the glow, so I'll kind of keep it away from my oily areas just because I don't want it to be super oily just in my cheek area, because that's where I do usually get oily if I do. So I'm going to go in with the foundation first. So I'm going to apply it with a brush to start off with, and then I'm going to go over with a sponge just to make sure everything's sunk into the skin properly. Okay, moving on to concealer, I'm just going to take the Revolution concealer in C10. I don't think it really matters which concealer you use, not for me anyway, because I set my under eyes. Then just take any loose powder that you like to use. I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, then because we've just done all that, I'm going to try and add some more of the glow back to the skin. So I'm going to take my Hourglass palette and I'm going to take the first shade and then just apply this where I just applied my loose powder. And it's just going to add a really soft glow under the eyes. Then for highlight, I'm going to use the Colourpop on the Cusp Cream Highlights. Use this all the time, it's my fave. I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Bronzing Stick in Baked. I love this bronzer. It's so good. Like, it leaves a nice sheen on the skin as well. It's a good one. Kind of go over the bronzer just because it's a cream. I'm going to take a tiny bit of the Ofra Americano bronzer, just a really small amount because my skin is already pretty bronze. I'm going to set that down just so it doesn't move around. And then for a bit of blush, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Nude Silk. And that is it. That is as dewy as I can get. Obviously you can go over again with your setting spray just to give a bit of extra. Okay, so that is it. That is it for the video. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I love being dewy. So I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and also make sure you are subscribed as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.